welcome to Confidence Academy. Today it's our very good day because we have joined with Javed sir. Today Javed sir will teach about how to speak spoken English and how to improve spoken English for learners, teachers and slow learners and ego. I would like to invite Javed sir to please say your opinion and give some technique skills how to improve spoken English. Now I would like to request Javed sir to continue your teaching.
Good afternoon to all. Today everyone need the importance of English. So how to improve English? Just by attending the classes, taking the notes, practicing, those are not the points. To improve the English, 4 points are important. First, listening, writing, reading and the speaking. After that, you can improve your English step by step. For sake of English, first let you know that single word substitution means what? Single word substitution. Single means one. Single means one. Word means group of letters. Word. And the sentence means a group of words is called as a sentence. Single word substitution means meaning of a word in the form of sentence. That is called as single word substitution. Example, teacher. Teacher. A person who teaches us is called as teacher. Teachers, why? What for? Es is going to be added over here. Let you know that because teacher means single. Single person means es should be added over there. To get the clarification, we should consider only the es over here. Another example, he speaks. Speaks. Why? What for? S is added means he. He is a single person. Therefore, that is called as single. To indicate that is the singularity is called as speaks over there. He speaks English. And how to speak English? First, what you know, let you know that. What you know, let you know that by the form of dash over there. Hey, no, we are going to be getting fear. No fear. If you have a fear, that should be overcome outside by your own effort. Example, that while applying powder, how you are going to be watching the mirror in such a way you should watch the mirror while reading, while speaking in English. Then fear will be go away. You will get the confidence that what you are, for which you are, how much suitable you are for sake of that. And spoken English, how to know that? How to speak, how to get the fluency for sake of English. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. No, that is not the answer, that is not the question. Only the question. Good morning, very good morning. Good afternoon, very good afternoon. Good evening, very good evening. Good night, no, very good night. That is sweet. See you later. That is called as a see you later. Why? What for means 9 o'clock we are going to be sleep over there. After 12 o'clock, day is completion. So therefore that is called as a see you later. Am I correct? So this is called as a improving English for learners. Teachers. Teachers means how to teach English. How to teach English for slow learners and the other persons. Yeah, that I know very well. For sake of English, I am MA B.Ed English. No, that's not the MA B.Ed English. MA B.Ed English is there, but you should get the fluency. You should keep the improving for sake of English in each and every aspect for sake of English. Let you know that what are the points including for sake of speaking English over there. Grammar, spoken English. In a grammar, how to speak, what is what on what basis. I am a teacher. I am a teacher means single person, common teacher. I am the teacher. The means it shows as a particularity, speciality. Example, festival, that is the article. That is called as a the article. Why? Because we are going to be celebrating with a grand manner. For sake of us to get the satisfaction and to visualize output result for others that what we are. That is called as a the article. And let you know that expansion of a word the. Expansion of a word the is these and those. How? Let you know that th common, esc e, osc last e. That is called as a long form of a word. The is these and those. These are the points going to be adding for the slow learners. And lastly, for the ego learners means, I know very well. What you know very well? I am in the class. I am at the class. What does it mean? I am in the class. I am inside the class, but mind is somewhere else. Absence of mind, that is called as in the class. I am at the class. Switch off kar di. I am at the class. At the class means don't disturb me, let me complete my work. That is called as at the class. And regarding the English, is, am, are, what is it? Have, has, what is it? Will and should, what is it? Let you know that in the form of structures. But before that, we should discuss about the verbs over there. Verbs, kriya padagalu. V1, V2, V3. Present tense, past tense and past participle. And lastly the V1 ing. Take, took, taken. Go, went, gone. See, saw, seen. Cut, cut, cut. Put. Shut. These are the V1 ing, V1, V2, V3. These are the verb forms. And V1 ing. V1 ing is called as adding the ing with the V1. Go, G-O, I-N-G. Put, P-U-T, T-I-N-G. S-H-U-T, S-H-U-T, T-I-N-G. In such a manner, that is called as a verb forms. Verb forms, why the verb forms are called as verb forms? Means every sentence is dependent upon the verbs. No sentence can be formed without the verbs. Therefore, verbs are called as flowerative language. For sake of every language, verbs are important. Every sentence is dependent upon the verbs. No sentence can be formed without the verb. Therefore, verbs are called as flowerative language, and that is called as Huvu Danta Bhashya. And let you know that for sake of verb forms, if you misuse the verbs, it shows the lack of English. For sake of English improvement, you should follow the rules, whatever the rules I am going to be mentioning today. Up to 25 days. 26th day your English will be improved 99%. But the condition is that should write with a pencil, maintain the separate book, and watch the English news up to 25 days. Then 26th day you have to be speak with the others. You have to be communicate with others for sake of English, that will be visualize the result in front of you. 99% pass. for sake of English. See, let you know that I am learning English. Learning, what is this word called in English? Sentence. V1 ing, V1 ing, that's okay. But what are those called? It is called as gerund. G-E-R. So that is called as gerund. Why? What for means that's going to be using with the present tense and also the past tense. How? That V1, V2, V3. Go, I am going. Asking to go. That is called as a verbs only. And V2, he went to temple yesterday. Went. When? Yesterday, day before yesterday, last year. That is called as V1 ing. I am going to be learning English. That is V1 ing. That is called as gerund. Is a mar. How to use? Is a mar. That is used with the present continuous tense. How means subject plus is a mar plus V1 ing plus object. How means subject means here in a grammar subjects means I, we, you, they, he, she, it, noun. Those are called as subjects. Is a mar. How to be used with the subjects over there? I use with am. You, they, are. We, you, they. Those are used with the are over there. He, she, it, noun is used with the is over there. How? That I am going to be explaining now. I am learning English. Am used with the I, isn't it? Then is, he is teaching English. He is correctioning the papers. He is handling the class. He is praying for the temple. Is. Are. We are attending tuition class. They are calling me. They are inviting me. In such a manner, other subjects will be there over there. Therefore, subjects, structures, and the objects, those are important to learn English. And let you know that have, has, how to be used, has, how to be used. Have means I, we, you, they. These are the four subjects used with the have over there. He, she, it, noun. These are called as a usage with the has over there. How? I have planned to go lecture. I have purchased a pen. She has attended English class. She has watched my demo class. She has got my result. Those are called as a have, has. And let you know that have, has, what is it? Have, has used for just completed action. Just now, recently. 1 year, 2 years, 5 years. That's all. More than that, that is called as a had. How? How means, see here, had. H-A-D, had. Had means used with the past tense. Had is called as a past tense. Present tense is a have, then had. I had dinner yesterday. I had dinner yesterday. Not now. That is the yesterday. Pointing. Let you know that confirmly. Regarding that had, what is it? I had attend function yesterday. Third sentence, they had tested me. They had tested you. Had. Then let you know that had to. Had to means what? Had to means you have done the presentation but without interest. Example. First let you know the subject, that structure of that. Subject plus had to plus V1 plus object. Subjects here I, we, you, they, he, she, it, noun plus verb had to plus V1. I had to attend. Object here English. I had to attend English means what? Which you have taken, that is the forcible. Which you have taken for me, that was the forcible. But that was the not interested to me. Forcible I have seated over there. Let you know the clarification regarding this. I had to attend English means, be silent. My work is there, not your work. That is called as had to. Means what? Another one clarification. Instead the chance, that is called as had to. Instead the chance, opportunity, that is called as had to. Then third structure, will. Will and shall. Will means 100% future tense. Shall means 80% guarantee. 80%. How means? Shall means 80% guarantee. How? Now we are going to be attending the classes. That is the guarantee for us. He will attend. But how much we are going to be improving, that is the secondary. 80% guarantee that. Shall shows only 80% guarantee. Will shows future tense, only the future tense. See, while I was in a school, that I have attended many classes for sake of English. In a college also I have attended classes, English classes with others, with other batches. But now I got the improvement result. Why, what for? That is the improving English, interesting, curiosity, thoroughly interest for sake of English. For sake of English. Those are the points to be followed in such a manner. For sake of English, your English will be improved a lot over there. And another structure, should. Should means what? Let you know that. Should means that's our responsibility. ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಇವತ್ತು ಪೂಜೆ ಆದ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ನಾಟ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸಿಬಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಅದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಇದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. Should shows only responsibility. That's doing your personal performance. Personal, that is called as should over there. Personal responsibility. Must means any condition should follow without fail. That is called as must. Example, with a structure, subject plus must plus V1 plus object. Now sentences are going to be appearing in this manner, presenting in this manner, that I must attend puja. First sentence. Second, I must visit the temples today. Means what? Must means any condition. If the leg also broken, we should attend the temple for puja by catching any of the others support. That is called as must. And let you know that for sake of English, what are the points will be required over there. What are the needed points need to improve the English by attending spoken English classes? No. By communicating one another? No. 4 points are in for completely, conformly needed over there: listening, writing, reading, and speaking. If there is a television in your house, watch the television for sake of English news. See the way in which she is going to be speaking over there. I'll be back just after a short break. Short break means the changes of the lips movement while pronouncing the complete word. That is the importance over there. Have you got clarification? Shall I say once again? I'll be back just after a short break. Short break. Short, the way in which she is going to be changes the movement of her lips while pronouncing the word. That is called as a pronunciation. Should watch that point for each and every word. Clarification for sake of sound pronunciation while pronouncing the particular word is called as learning process. Then your English will be improved 75%. Then thereafter you should write the sentences whatever you know, whatever it may be. That is called as English, spoken English. Slow learners, how to be attend English, how to improve the English. Good morning, no good morning. Namaste, no namaste. Namaste, shubh namaste. And slow learners, one more point to be note, that good morning, no good morning, but happy morning. No good morning, but happy morning. See, front person will smile towards you. Why, what for? That is the attractiveness for sake of English over there. Whatever it may be, don't get the fear for sake of learning, for sake of improving the English until getting the perfection. However, you know, write it first. First write it over there, then thereafter speak along with that accordingly. Then you will get the confirmation that what you are, what is it, according to you, according to others, what is it. You will get the clarification yourself for sake of subject English. Therefore, I consider my subject English is not the favorite subject but favorable subject for sake of English. English is my favorable subject, not favorite subject. Favorable subject for sake of English, to lead with it, to deal with it for sake of English. Therefore, I want to suggest for everyone to improve the English as early as possible. Before improving the English, you can't join any of the jobs. If you have fluency for sake of English, you will get the job in each and every aspect for sake of improving the English over there. If there is any problem, any stage fear problem, how to be avoid this, avoid these performance before going to the dais over there, before reaching the stage, how to get the clarification that whatever you are reading, whatever you are speaking, whatever you are learning by choosing the paper book, should watch the TV over there, TV along with the mirror. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are speaking, that should be visualized in front of you. Then you will get the happiness. Ah, how much nice I am speaking over there. Ha ha. Then you will get the clarification that the fear will be go away. Then no fear will be there for sake of you by attaining the stage over there. This is my guarantee color and guarantee point for sake of avoiding the fear on the stage. Many persons are there, they are going to be speaking by sitting in a class, but after getting nearer to the stage, they will get the fear. Why? What for? There is not the confirmation about them, regarding them, to them only. Therefore, they are going to be getting the failure by coming on the dais over there. So, before coming on the dais, should practice these points. Watching the mirror, you should read the speech over there. Front mirror, and after the mirror, your speech over there. By reading the speech, you should watch the, not the television, that is the mirror. Then everything should be solved overly. For sake of stage fear, this is the point to be followed for sake of improving the proudness, perfection, avoiding the stage fear for each and every one. And let you know that last point, everyone know that ABCD, ABCD, EF, GH, IJ, KL, MN, OP, QR, ST, V, X, Y, Z. Everyone know that alphabetical order. Can anybody say that reciprocally? But I can say that reciprocally. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Shall I say once again? Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Am I correct? I know that you people have got the satisfaction for improving the English by attending my speech over there. That much I have confirmed for sake of English. So therefore, I am the dealer for sake of English, not the leader for sake of English. Okay, thank you one and all.